discuss with my friends. So just I told them, whom did I call a few days later. So who? Because I call the YouTube channel. So I saw many videos that guys, but that guy is very motivated and inspired to people. So I call. I can't believe that guys. I call. I call people shortly before. So oh really? Yes, really. I can't believe you again.
Oh,
You
come on.
message me. I saw your message. Huh?
Yeah, why I call you? Because you are keen learner. You really want to learn. You are the real guy.
No, no. Just so I'm very optimistic person because I also do make friends, different country, different people. I like, but first time in my first time of my life, I call to YouTuber on, and that guy is very different each other. So I really believe I could not believe your professional job because your professional job is very different,
Yeah.
and yeah, and you would not like to hide your job because you would like to express your job and what do you do. So really, you're a great person. I like you, and yeah,
Yeah, I don't like to hide my job. I would like to inspire
yes,
more and more people. If I can speak, anybody can
yes,
speak. If I can do it,
yeah,
anybody can do it.
definitely,
You
yes,
know?
definitely, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. So you just your thought is positive thought, but you can see and you hear also most of the people would like to hide the job. Maybe someone do work in cleaner. So that guy told, I am the good worker. I do work is the best work. I get the good opportunity. But actually, they didn't get good opportunity. So after
Mm.
that, it tells and you hide your job, hide the job. So that is not good. I hear. Okay, now I have also company. I have company. One guy have cleaner. So that guys have girlfriend. So I take a photo. I took photo that guys, and I told him, I send your girlfriend your photo. Well, no, no, no. My girlfriend, no. I am supervisor. How come you supervisor? How come? Because your dress is cleaner, their road is cleaner. After that he call your during the duty time. So how come you receive her call? No, 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 duty time I never called. Never call her. So what is the problem? Okay, work is equal. So every work is equal. There is no any think is different.
Yeah.
If you think that work is very small, that work is not good, that is not fact. Work is work. Okay. So maybe you today you are cleaner. Probably you will future maybe you are become the good person, good work. So don't show work is small. Okay, we have to show work is work,
Hmm.
and we have to work. Okay, so and someone told, so money is not enough. Just yesterday I discussed with my friend. So that guy continuously, so, money is not enough. I have enough money. I want to increase in money. I have to application. I told him, money is always not important. Important is skill. What kind of skills have in your side? That is very important. Okay. So I am supervisor as well as I am chef. So I know how to make cook. You also and similarly, you will the good cook. You will getting and it just you have to hard work. After that, maybe you will be successful. How to you will be successful? Because you have to hard work. And everything you have to control. and everything you have to arrange. How would I arrange everything? Because I have to really, sir. I am really to say I continuously I become very depressed because I have to arrange everything because one restaurant how to manage. I have to so I have to look after the staff. I have to make order and there are several different kind of items and one items maybe something is missing in my mind
Mm,
but after next day it's a very the very problem why not coming and coming HR coming officer so why you not make order why you not have available why you make available unavailable this item uh, you why you can't handle you so there is lots of problem so that I told him money is not important money comes automatically in our way you
yeah.
have to strong your skills what kind of what kind of attribute have in your inner that is important so that guys also my work I like my work but very depressed really I'm very disappointed because HR and my officer and they are a big officer is very very difficult. So they don't understand how to make and I also I how to make how to I make them understanding. So I also very right. So I also I and I want to find out strategy and I want to find out strategy and technique what kind of technique I have to easily learn in English language and how to improve my skills. And life is very precious. Okay, life is not cheap. Okay, so I don't want to gamble on my future. Okay,
Mm,
so yeah,
thing. People,
yes,
in this world, people really wanted to stay in their comfortable zone. And it's called comfort zone.
yes, yes,
You
yes,
are not that kind of a guy. You don't want to stay in your comfort zone. You wanted to go out of the box. You are thinking out of the
yes,
box. Do something. That's
yes,
why you. That's why you are improving. That's why you have a good job.
yes,
That's why you're doing
yes,
great.
sir, yes,
And the most of the people, they want to stay in their comfort zone. Like
yes,
I I have a good job. I'm earning. Alhamdulillah, I'm earning. I don't want anything more. I don't want a tough job.
yes,
I don't
yes,
want a complicated. That's mean they're not trying to go out of the box. They are not thinking out of the box. But
yeah,
you are thinking that. So that's mean you're gonna be success in life soon, inshallah.
yes,
But
sir, yes,
most of the people, they want to stay in a comfort zone. Comfort zone means that they want to stay safe. They want to
yes,
stay safe.
yes, definitely. Okay, yeah,
They just want to do their job, 8 to 5 job. That's it. They don't want to do anything different.
yes, yes,
Yeah,
absolutely,
that's the difference.
absolutely. So yeah, so why I follow you? Because uh, so I don't same similarly I would not like to hide my job. Okay, so
Mhm.
that what is the reality? What is the reality? I also express my job. I become a good person and I would like to the good work so just I didn't I would not like to hide also told you before you are a good speaker and I can't believe not only me maybe every people can't believe one native speaker uh, how come this auto what is this maybe something is there is something
Okay,
missing you want to
okay,
hide I am telling you okay
yeah,
just I am telling you I know because there is no any person in this world, okay, in this universe, one the good better person. How calm is cleaner? How calm is small? Is a show that is so in front of public. I am. this. But I show your conversation every people. But just I saw any your about your work. But it is not reality, just in my opinion. And I just realized that is not your exact work. Maybe something have in your inner. So you know better what are you going to gain in your life.
Okay, I'll tell you one thing.
But
I am a software engineer in Infosys Hyderabad. I am a software engineer
I
in Infosys Hyderabad Technician Limited in Cyberabad.
yeah, yes, that is reality. And it is true. How come? It is not. It was not. It was not possible. How come? Because I also saw in universe, and I go to many different countries, and I also look after in India's many states. So just I first time saw you, and you told me, but I could not believe. Really, I could not believe. I realized how come is one native speaker and he is a good speaker. So he is not a beginner, and he is a motivated speaker, and he also similarly he also inspire to people. So what is this? How come? He can,
So whatever I said to you, I was lying, brother. I am a auto driver. If you believe or if you don't believe, what do I say, brother? What can I do for you? You are
okay,
not giving,
okay, sir. Okay, I believe. Okay, I believe. Okay, just I am believe. Okay, I believe.
Mister.
Okay, I
Okay,
believe. I believe.
listen,
Yes.
listen. I'm
Okay,
not
go
asking.
forward.
I'm not gonna ask you something. You are not gonna here to give me something. Why would I lie, brother? Why would I lie? There is something to lie me. Okay, what is that? I don't have anything to lie, brother. I don't have
No, no,
anything
no.
to.
Okay.
I don't
Uh,
look. If you work hard, whether you are a toilet cleaner, whether you are a garbage holder, whether you are a waiter, whether you are a supervisor, if you work hard, you can achieve anything in this life.
yes,
If
yes,
you
yes,
are
definitely.
achieve anything.
So just okay, you tell. I know. Yeah, I believe you. Okay, really, I believe you. It was joke,
I
because
was scared.
I would like to hear with you, because maybe you say reality and you say really something. But okay, so just you tell. Okay, you tell what is the what is the actual reality. So what you are going to gain in your life, what is your plan, what are you decide already. I am gonna do something to I am. So just please tell, because
Look,
in this video will hear universe. Okay, so just I am asking you, please tell.
okay. I wanted to achieve something in my life. I want to do
Yeah,
something, sir, a huge, a gigantic. I have a do goal in my life. I have a big goal in my life. I wanted to be a rich man.
yeah,
You know,
yeah,
and
yeah.
yeah, I influenced by Mr. Elon Musk. You know Elon Musk.
Elon Musk, I don't know about.
Yeah, yeah. I influenced by him. By he's a great man. So I really
Yes,
want to
yes,
do something for my country as well. I really want to do something more
yes.
uh, my country as well. So that's my goal. I'm working on it right now. That's my goal only. I want to do something like people should appreciate. People should appreciate. I want to do something like that in my
Yeah, yeah,
in
definitely.
for my country, for me, for my people, for my family member. That's my dream, brother. That's why I'm working very hard.
So
Learning a
why?
language. Learning a language is
So
not.
yeah. So just I know any every. So just one more question. Maybe any just someone really someone under. When I become the good speaker and good person, so I would like to go to. American or Europe country or Gulf country is not fact because every people like Gulf country, so there is no chance. There is they don't get any chance. So after that come to Gulf country. So
Mm.
you never think before, you never think. So I would like to go to different country, American or Canada or so. Why?
I don't
What is
like.
the reason? And
I love my India. I want to do something here.
I know,
I
yeah,
want to do something here in my country. There is a
yes,
myth. There is a myth that we cannot do anything in India. We do have a lots
yes,
of opportunity in India. We need to find out, brother. People there said that we cannot do anything in India. We have to go out of. We have to, if you want to fulfill your dream. We need to go
yes,
America. We
yes,
need to get Canada. If you want a high income, we have to go in a Gulf country. But it's I don't think so. I don't think we need to find out. You need to find out. A good opportunity. You know
yes, yes, absolutely, definitely.
opportunity doesn't knock doesn't knock. You have to build a door. Make an opportunity.
Yeah, yeah,
Make a opportunity.
yeah,
There are lots of opportunity, brother, in India. We need to find out. Are lots of problem. We need to find out the solution. We need a solution. There are lots
yeah,
of problems. We need a solution only.
yes, definitely, definitely, definitely. But I also tried